I'm going to be doing a quick review of the SimPure Countertop reverse osmosis machine, and I'm not going to touch on anything related to the features. Those are mainly addressed in a lot of other videos, just my only issues with it. Overall, it's a very good device. I do have it earthquake strapped down just because life in California. Basically, it does what it is supposed to do as far as the water is concerned. I had a water tester, and my dissolved solids from my tap measured at 208 parts per million. After using this device and putting out the water, it went down to 23, so a nice drop in that number. There are three things that I wish they could improve. They don't really overall change this device as far as the quality of it, but they're just three things that are mildly annoying. Number one is we'll go into the touchscreen itself here. As you can see, it always kind of remains lit, which is fine. As soon as you touch anything in this area, it starts dispensing water. And so I just was wiping off the surface and it started releasing water. So this is something that after 2 times having accidental, water discharges, I became very conscientious on using it. This is something you learn when it happens. The second thing is the display is actually 4 things. The display is a little bit small when you hit this to activate it. You see it's extremely small to actually see what's going on. You do have some counts here and everything, but if you're a little tight on vision, I'm fine on vision, but it's a little on the small side. The nozzle itself here is very kind of close to the unit. You can see it fits this water cup very nicely. That in combination with a kind of small tray, it comes off very nicely. The whole thing comes out as a magnetized unit, slips right in and out nice and easy. But the depth of this means this is almost like falling off the thing here, and that's really, if this was out a little more and the nozzle was out a little more, you could kind of fill it up a little bit easier, but it gets a little bit tight. Not a problem, but just a little minor complaint. It does, I'll go for 12 ounces. It dispenses nicely. The tank itself holds quite a bit of water. You can fill up almost a pitcher and a half or 2. And overall, I'm very happy with the device. It puts out nice, excellent tasting water. It's priced well with some free refills that came with mine, so I'm good for at least a year for under $300. It's an excellent machine. It really is very simple to change in the back as far as adding new water to it. And I just wish those minor little issues would change a little bit. A display that wasn't quite so touchy. But once again, once you just throw water all over the place, you learn about the touchscreen very quickly. Overall, it is an excellent device, though, recommended, and it does what it's advertised to do.